Hello, my name is Deborah Kurata. Welcome to my course, RxJS and Angular Reactive Development. As an Angular developer, you already use RxJS observables, defining a data stream every time you retrieve data using Angular's HTTP GET. You can also use RxJS to create streams for user actions, such as selections and button clicks. Merge a data stream with an action stream, bind it in a template, and watch your user interface automatically update anytime the user performs that action. It's like magic. Some of the major topics that we cover include clarifying the RxJS key terms, such as observable, observer, and subscription, using a more declarative approach to defining data streams, combining streams to merge data from multiple sources so you can display customers with their associated orders or users with their associated roles, and creating streams from user actions such as selections. Then merging the data streams with the action streams to react to those user actions, automatically updating the view as needed. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use RxJS to build more declarative and reactive Angular applications, providing your users with a more performant and interactive application. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn RxJS with the RxJS and Angular Reactive Development course at Pluralsight.